UI students at Castletroy College. Over the last few weeks, we have been producing and creating this video. Let's hear more about it.
We live in a time of rapid information and knowledge, and with constantly new and scientifically improved systems of energy, design of buildings, new public systems of transport, healthcare, access to higher education for all, and innovative modes of conservation in the natural environment.
At the same time, the fast globalising world and planet is experiencing unprecedented rates of climate change, global warming, migration patterns, famine, and the ravages of war.
Hi, my name is Sam and I'm going to talk about green space.
Aerial park. Create an aerial park offering a unique outdoor experience. Ice rink. During winter, convert a lake into an ice skating rink for seasonal enjoyment and outdoor activities. These will provide an ongoing attraction that benefits the town financially. Water park. In summer, transform the lake area into a water park with slides, obstacles and recreational activities for both kids and adults. Greenways. Develop greenways within forests along walkways, promoting healthy activities for residents and visitors. Physical recreation. Install stations with instructions for exercise like pull-ups, dips, sit-ups, push-ups, lunges and more. Include outdoor gym equipment such as resistant machines, leg presses and ellipticals that don't require electricity. Create a network of trails. These should be wide enough for bikes and people. Provide bike racks for people to park their bikes to entice people to be active. Create a station with tools for basic bike repairs for people who cycle to the green space.
My name is Liam Connolly and this is our video on green housing.
Green housing is all about sustainable and energy efficient living. Two key ideas are modular housing and green apartments. Modular homes are pre-built in sections and then assembled on site, reducing waste, saving energy and using eco-friendly materials. They're quick to build and cost effective.
This is an example of modular construction in our school.
Green apartments focus on energy efficiency, not just plants on balconies. They use solar panels, smart insulation and water saving systems to reduce and lower energy use. Both concepts make housing cleaner, greener and better for the planet.
Hi, my name is Katie Keogh and I'm going to be talking about renewable energy sources. Solar power is the energy converted from sunlight into usable electricity through the use of solar panels. Solar panels are environmentally friendly and they also do not emit greenhouse gases, which affects pollution. However, solar panels only really work when the sun is shining, which is not always the case in Ireland, which is why we chose two other energy sources for our village. Wind power is energy converted from wind into electricity. This is produced by wind turbines. Unlike fossil fuels, wind does not run out and it also doesn't produce harmful emissions. There is an infinite supply of this energy source. Hydropower is energy converted from water into electricity through the use of dams. Hydropower relies on natural water cycle, making it a long-term solution. It is also cost effective. In conclusion, we discovered that using more than one energy source allows us to produce the most energy. We believe these energy sources are a step in the right direction for an eco-friendly future.
Hi, my name is Lee Hennessy and today I'm going to be talking about transport. Ideas for the future. Driverless cars, drones, water boats, increased bike lanes and bus lanes, electric cars, limited distance cars can drive daily and reduce petrol stations. Electric cars. Electric cars are a buzzword in the modern day. People nowadays are starting to see the benefits of an all-electric car instead of the regular diesel or petrol. Climate change is causing unusual weather events across the globe. This is why we believe all cars must be 100% electric by the year 2050. No petrol stations. By getting rid of petrol stations and adding power stations instead, it encourages people to get electric cars instead of petrol or diesel. Get food from inside village to lessen transport. Have more agriculture in villages to grow own food. This will help with the trucks coming from outside importing food using fossil fuels. Water taxi. If a village had a river, water taxis could transport people efficiently, carrying more passengers at once and using less fuel compared to cars. Electric waste trucks. The Hydrema D26 is a fully electric dump truck that offers impressive battery life, low noise levels and combines performance with sustainability, making it ideal for urban areas focused on environmental and noise control.
Hi, my name is Emma Hickey and I'm going to be talking about education and health. uniforms. School uniforms will use more sustainable fabrics and biodegradable materials, making it more durable, easy to wash, and sustainable for the environment. Technology. With the help of AI and computers, schools will be able to create lessons that match each student's needs, making it more suited to the student's pace and abilities. Class may also become more interactive, and textbooks and notebooks may be replaced with VR and computer systems. Active lifestyles. There will be walkways and eco-villages filled with plants such as trees and flowers. There will be more indoor and outdoor fitness areas such as new gyms and workout areas in the parks. Hospitals will have advanced technology in their machines, and equipment will be able to heal and treat patients more efficiently. Hospitals and GP offices will be built sustainably and run off green energy and have lots of windows for natural light. Food consumption will be all local, and people will grow most of their own food. This will reduce food miles from transport and support local businesses.
Hi, my name is Heidi Rosen, and I'm going to be talking about food and clothes sustainability. Clothes sustainability is important because it promotes the use of recyclable materials, helping to reduce waste. We should be using natural fabric fibres over synthetic ones. We can make clothes locally using boil, pure materials for easier recycling. Host a fashion show that highlights sustainable fashion. Create workshops where we can learn how to make and design our own clothes. Food sustainability. It is important because we can preserve the world's food supplies and lessen our impact on the environment. For food sustainability, we can grow food locally, support local farmers, and reduce food transport. We can focus on reducing waste and protecting resources.
We hope you enjoyed our project on designing a sustainable eco-village in Ireland by 2050.
And we hope we learned something new as well. Thanks for listening.